Hello engineers, thank you and welcome. Today we are going to deal with division of complex numbers. So given this complex number, so in order to do away with this I in the denominator side, you have to multiply by I, both the numerator and the denominator, and you will have 3I over 5I square. So I square is -1 since I is root -1. So I will have -5 3 over 5 I hours. So into form of a plus b, I will have 0 plus 3 over 5 I as our answer. So given an example or given a equation, 4 plus 2I divided by 3I. So in order to do away with this I again, we multiply by I. So here I'll have 4I plus 2I square over 3I square. So you know I square is equal to -1. So here I'll have 4I minus 2 over -3. So I'll have -2 over -3. Therefore it will be 4I over -3. So into form of a plus b, ij will have 2 over 3 plus 4 over 3I. So now that will be the answer. Given the next question, where I have 4 over root 5I. So in order to do away with this one, you multiply by root 5I, both the denominator and the numerator. So you'll have 4 root 5I over 5I square. So we'll have it as 4 root 5I over -5. So it will be 0 minus 4 root 5 over 5I. So now this one will be the answer. So the next equation will have 8 over 3 plus 2I. So this one you multiply by the conjugate in order to omit the imaginary part. Then you'll have 3 minus 2I as the conjugate there. So opening the brackets, therefore we'll have 3 multiplied by, opening with this bracket, we'll have 24 minus 16I over, open again the denominator side, here will have 3, you have 9 minus 6I, then 3 with 2I will have 6I again plus 6I, then 2I will have 4I square. So here we'll have 6I cancel out because they'll add to 0. So we'll have 24 minus 16I over 9 plus 4. So here I'll have 24 minus 16I over 13. So into form of a plus b, we'll have 24 over 13 minus 16 over 13I. So that's the answer. So the next question we have 4 minus 2I plus over 3 plus 5I. So using the conjugate rule, so therefore I'll have 3 minus 5I, 3 minus 5I, both the denominator and the numerator. So opening the brackets, we'll have there 12 minus 20I. There will be minus 6I, then with 5I there will have plus 10I square. So since we know the imaginary parts will cancel out for those without the squares, just will have the shortcut whereby I'll multiply to get the 9 and 25I square. So because the other parts will cancel out obviously, so it will be 12I minus 26I minus 10 over 9. So because I square is a negative, is -1, so we'll have 9 plus 25 there, then it would be 2 minus 26i over 34. So into a plus b, I will have 2 over 34 minus 26 over 34i. So simplifying it to the most simplest form, we'll have it as 1 over 17 as the real part minus 13 over 17 as the imaginary part. So now this is the answer. So thank you, and make sure you subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video. So be blessed. Subscribe, like and share.